now. I've been going since first grade, yeah, 8 years. I got to lead all the littler kids, and it was just like war, but no one gets hurt.
I got one. I think it's just a nice change for the kids, and it's nice that they get to kind of have fun, because, you know, we say no guns, guns are bad, but then they can come into the club and play in a safe way under supervision. That's the most important part.
I didn't get to go last time because I had to sign up, and I was really looking forward to it, and it was actually really fun.
Having college kids in here sets a good example for the kids, especially since college is hard. But it's good for them to see how many of our staff are going to college or have been to college, who have put that hard work in.